Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your text look cinematic on CapCut. So here you can just add your text with your favorite font using a black background, or you can also use your own video as the background. And then just click on the text, go to style and go to effects and select the first one here, the gray one. Click on a check icon and now just export the text. Then you can just go back and delete the text, and now add the previous video you exported as overlay. Okay, like this, and now just go to mask, click on a film strip and rotate the masking to -50 degrees. Okay, around like this, and now drag it to the left corner and have drag the edges here, drag the arrow to create some blurred effect. Okay, put it on the top left corner like this, and now just click on a check icon and add keyframes at the beginning and also the end of the overlay. And now on the last keyframe, just go to mask again, and then now drag the masking to the bottom right corner like this, and just click on the check icon, and now you are done. And here is the final result for your cinematic text. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button on there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.